High-grade precision manufacturing is at the core. Located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, High-grade relies on its parent company Shenzhen Sencom Technology Co. Limited. It operates separate facilities for production and manufacturing, as well as product R&D and education bases. The total area exceeds 40,000 square meters. It has nearly 20 years of international high-end production and manufacturing experience. It possesses capabilities from product process design, mold design and production, injection molding, quality inspection, to assembly, forming an integrated, fully independent, closed-loop precision manufacturing chain. Large tonnage Toshiba and Sumitomo injection molding machines, fully automatic mechanical arm, and top-tier production equipments like Charmil's EDM machines. Everything for production and manufacturing fully equipped. With the relief of quality comes first, and responsibility is fundamental. High-grade has gradually obtained certifications including quality management systems, environmental management systems, and after-sales service systems, among other production management certifications. Automated equipment ensures efficient and meticulous production. Intelligent software systems track and analyze data in real time. Professional quality inspection guarantees product quality and performance. Samples can be produced within 15 days. Mass production can be achieved within 30 days. Monthly output exceeds 60,000 units. Major clients include Sony, Samsung, Fujifilm, Sharp, Meituan, and other internationally renowned companies. Products cover MP3 players, tablets, cameras, and mobile phone models, real device keyboards, lawnmowers, delivery drones, covering consumer electronics, smart hardware, and multiple sectors of the low-altitude economy. Finished products have a batch qualification rate above 98.2. In addition to external OEM services, High-grade also provides production support for its self-developed swarm drones, AI education hardware, and more. It offers full production support, forming a dual-driven model of self-development plus OEM, a dual-wheel business model. In the fields of drone swarms and AI education hardware, the accumulated in-house technology feeds back into OEM operations, enhancing product value. Self-developed drones currently have an annual output capacity of up to 1 million units. Business reaches North America, the EU, the Middle East, East Asia, and nearly 50 countries and regions worldwide, covering over 300 cities. Its manufacturing capabilities are leading in China. High-grade always puts precision manufacturing at its core, with the low-altitude economy as its strategic focus, illuminating China's new intelligent manufacturing identity, creating greater value for clients and society.